So next thing is how to remove noise and edit the audio. For making that kind of thing, I am just adding a video. Okay, this is the video. This video is human fall flat game. Okay, it contains okay, it has very sound in it. Then you can just go to audio effect, noise removal. Okay, then play it again. The noise goes to minimum, and this is the game sound. Okay, then mix to mono. It will increase noise removal level very much that you just hear only one sound, which is constantly hitting your mic. Okay, you can also do the voice leveling. Voice leveling is used for, this will automatically analyze your audio, used for making your voice decibel and gains higher, so it in lower volume it will show higher gain. So it is not that much useful, but you can use it if you recorded that voice which has very low decibel gain, then you can increase it further.